In this video, we will compare Linkvertise and Adfly. Linkvertise and Adfly are URL shorteners, but both offers ways to shorten links while earning money, but they differ in features and payout structure. Linkvertise allows you to monetize your links through a variety of methods like surveys, offers, and ads. It offers better payout rates and the platform is more customizable. It also provides tools to track your earnings and give more control over how users interact with your links. However, it can be a bit more intrusive for users as it requires them to complete tasks before accessing the final destination. Adfly, on the other hand, is a simpler and more straightforward. It mainly offers app-based monetization and doesn't require users to complete surveys or offers. While it easier for users, its payout rate tends to be lower than Linkvertise. It is ideal for those who want a quick and simple URL shortener without too many hurdles. If you're looking for higher payouts and don't mind user interaction, Linkvertise might be the better choice for you.